We have on our campus a Center for Latino Health, and the center, the CSULB Institute for Palliative Care, aka Joy Goebel at Long Beach, partnered with our Latino Health and the CSU Institute to submit a grant to UniHealth for a Promotores project. Familias Acción, and I'm probably not pronouncing that perfectly, is an organization in Oregon that provides educations, a train-the-trainer program for promotores throughout mainly the western United States. So the UniHealth Grant paid for 2 promotores to come down to Long Beach, and we trained 60 promotores in 3 different sessions. And the promotores were trained in things about how to have conversations with their healthcare provider, how to have conversations with their family members, and what palliative care is, and how to kind of access that in the community. So we had 3 different sessions. Each session had 20 promotores. It was so well received in the community. 2 days after it was posted on the Center for Latino Health at Long Beach, the classes, all 3 classes were full, and we had a waiting list of 20 people. So we're also trying to replicate the project in the future with more funding, both locally, and we're hoping to leverage the CSU system, CSU Institute for Palliative Care system, and have the other campuses throughout our state have a Promotores Train the Trainer program in palliative care. It's been a wonderful, wonderful experience. As I mentioned before, we got phenomenal feedback from the community. Each Promotores then is responsible for training 10 more Promotores. So by our grant, we hope to train at least 600 Latino families related to palliative care in the Los Angeles County. Well, Mara and I, again, applied for a seed grant that was available from the CSU Institute for Palliative Care, and I was just informed that we received that grant. It's a smaller amount of money from the Gary and Mary West Foundation, and so we will be able to replicate what we did this last summer with 10 more promotores, and so we're very happy that for the generous support of the Gary and Mary West Foundation, as well as the foundation, UniHealth Foundation. So sometime in probably spring semester, we will be replicating the Promotores project again. We have a lot of very good research related to the disparities of healthcare. Latinos are less likely to access palliative and hospice care. They're more likely to, when they access care, have more significant disease. So there's a huge, huge need in our community for culturally sensitive approaches to improving access to health care. And we have a lot of good evidence that approaches such as this Promotores project is very effective at addressing some of those healthcare disparities. So none of this very important work would be possible without the generosity of UniHealth. And by their choosing to be involved with the Institute, they are really touching a lot of lives and making a difference in the community of Los Angeles County. And I'm sure that it actually is influencing beyond Los Angeles County. So I am so grateful for the generosity of UniHealth.